Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Ellis Chevy 2x4 man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, we out here in the garage. Got the fans blowing. Got the Chevy jacked up. Gonna get into these brakes, man. It's been something that I've been meaning to do for a while, man. I bought the stuff like a while ago. I found it when I was cleaning up. And was like, hey, I need to go and do these brakes. So, I was gonna go ahead and do the brakes and the rotors. I mean, I got the inner bearings, outer bearings. I'm not sure if I got the seal. I may have the seal somewhere. I'm pretty sure I do. I just don't remember exactly where it's at. So if I got the seal, then I'll go ahead and just replace the rotors too. Or I'm gonna go get the seal. You know. Anyway, this is time to put that power torque to work. Brushless game. It even kind of matched the car, right? So now what they was tightened down to before, I don't know. I know that it's easier to do it when he's on the ground, but we're not trying to make it easy. Come on. Hold on. Alright, so we got that off there. Little power torque came on through for you, boy. Got that 24 off. So now, I ain't really prepped for this, man. So I'm gonna take the brake pads off and shit first, and then take the caliper off and go from there, and then make my decision on what's gonna get done. I mean, since I got it all off, you know what I mean, I might as well go ahead and do it. So let's see. Not good. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and pop those bad boys out. Yeah, that bad boy was beyond gone. I mean, the rotor does need to be good. I mean, since we got it down this far, we might as well go ahead and take out the wrist. Yeah. And pads to the white meat. Let's compare it to the new pads. I mean, y'all know what new pads look like, but for the sake of comparison, you know what I mean? For the sake of comparison. Oh yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so inside is this one. As you can see, nothing left. Nothing left at all. So it'll definitely be a good upgrade. These out of there. I believe I got new hardware too, as far as the clips. That should be what's in this box. Yeah. So new clips and stuff for the hardware is in there. So we're gonna just go ahead and do it all. I need to make sure I got that seal though before I start. Alright, so it appears that I already had the seals. This should be it right here. 8871. Tap that thing in there. We're good to go. Then we got the front new bearings. Outside bearing or inner bearing, outer bearing. Inner bearing, outer bearing, and the seal. So got that brake cleaner right there. Got our rotor. And I'll get a sprayed down. Now be careful when you do this, man. You don't want to mess up your studs, but I do what I want. I buy me some more. Well, actually, I'm gonna warranty them out, but just be careful. Gonna spray off everything here. I should have probably need some more brake. Cause I was planning on this, but I wasn't planning on this. It was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Then I woke up this morning, cut the grass, and I was like, all right, today is the day. So I'm gonna just do it. And if y'all don't watch Cortez videos, man, you know that I'm fighting against the sun, which is already right there. So we ain't got much time, so get this off, get it popped.
I ain't even have to
I done pulled the Cortez, that old school's playing, man. Old school jams playing, so I didn't take y'all step by step, but basically you have to grease your bearings, which is a very, very, very messy ass job. You have to put your seal in. Basically, I can show you on here. So this is the old grease. That's new grease. It's probably burnt stuff out. So this seal comes out. If you say that we were using the same rotors, we would pop that seal out, replace that seal, replace the bearings, and do it that way. But I all knew everything. You know what I'm saying? So I all knew everything. Caliper looks good. And we're gonna get everything done like that. So should be good to go, man. Alright, so as you can see, we done switched up sides. Got the new little bag off in there, smiling at us. I ain't painted calipers. I'm good. I just want to be able to stop. That is all, children. Yeah, definitely was time for new ones. Might as well go and swap it all out. Swap it all out. So got that side done now. Gonna take that power torque to the other side. And this is the side. This is the side that was really bad. If you can see the groove that's in there. So this is the side that really needed it, but I decided I'd go ahead and do both of them. So yeah. See, that's bad. So let me get this side off, dismantle, and I'll cut you back on. Alright, so We got this side toned down, man. I was just gonna show y'all what I didn't get to show y'all on the other side. Popped out these. This is where the hardware, part of the hardware replacement goes. It's gonna be right in there. It's a little rubber ring. Let me show you. It's a little rubber ring like this. So you take that ring out, put the ring in, and then slide in the new bushing, and then you get it going. Alright, so here go the old bushing, old busted bushing. Right there. So there's new one. Compared to the new one, man, you can see it. Or is it something that you want to replace? Since you're in there, might as well do it. Alright, let me get this rest of this off and get it back. Alright, man, so we got it all back together. Old one off. New one on, new brake, new hardware. All that good, man. So, man, that bad boy should stop on the down, man. Them pads I had on this side was terrible too. I ain't never really started driving it. Other than, you know, around the neighborhood to the gas station. But I never really paid it no attention because when I first got it, you know what I'm saying, I went to immediately trying to make sure it was running. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't running, ain't no need for me to try to stop that bitch. But now that she running, you know what I'm saying, make sure she can stop. So, yeah. Check your brakes, it ain't that hard to do. Put your new pads, new rotors, man. And, I probably did this over the course of 2 hours, if that. Probably slowed me down because I was recording. Nothing was really seized on there. Didn't give me no real issues. So this was one of the few things that I've done and I haven't run into no hiccups. So what's next for the Black Chevy? Tune in next time. Da -da -da. Now, you know I wouldn't do you like that, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Making your stream of life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Let's make it happen. Gone. Make sure this motherfucker can stop now. Shit. Views from the 6, bitch. Out the roof on you pussies. Yes, sir. Out the roof. I should have opened that bitch. Should have opened that bitch. Alright, put her back in the driveway. We got a couple other things we gotta tend to. Yes, sir, but she stopped.